Along the way, strangers become friends. This brotherhood of ours never ends. We play life's hand like a poker run. Sacrifice your time for the fallen one. If you don't ride, then you don't know where I've been and where I go. It's all about the freedom of the open road. It doesn't matter if you're young or old, running with the pack or rolling on your own. It's all about the freedom of the open road. Grab your handles, let's roll.
I married me a hippie, ran away with a stringy-haired blonde. Lord, I married me a hippie, ran away with a stringy-haired blonde. Now we're both old and happy, fishing on our own golden pond. Hey, I love my biker baby, she loves her guitar picking pal. Lord, I love my Harley mama, she loves her guitar picking pal. I'm her motorcycle cowboy, she's my long tall gal. Yeah. When the party's over, it's really over for good. I said when the party is over, man, it's really over for good. Lord, everything changes, wouldn't change back if I could. Play it, Johnny. He wouldn't change, would he? Yeah, I ain't got no driveway, park my hog out on the lawn. I ain't got no driveway, park my big old hog out on the lawn. I ain't got much money, got me a long tall blonde. All right, Don. Yes, yes. fishing on our own golden pond.
A country road, two wheels, summer's turning colder. A radio playing makes me think. Another turn ahead, looking back over my shoulder. It's 30 years since it's been spring. Two wheels riding, the king is moving slower. She still looks good, but the motor's weak. I'd like to keep her running just a little longer. Too little time, so much to see. Well, I wish that this road went on forever. My back the road and I feel free. If this is the last ride that the Lord allows me, I pray my soul that He will keep. The turn ahead right now means caution to the others. I hope I make it at this pace. Oh Lord, please, won't you help me through another? Or is this the end of my race? Well, I wish that this road went on forever. My back the road and I feel free. If this is the last ride